2 pinches results in a play or pause. Number 8. What? Okay, what is this? Whew, okay, wow, this oversized sweater thing really looks super shiny. Woo, okay, on this video. Alright, anyways. What's up, guys? The Tech Spot here, and in this video, I have over here the HipTouch pods in black, okay? These are basically AirPod Pro clones, and they are actually pretty good. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing them, comparing them to real AirPods. Should you buy black AirPod clones? This is so cool. I am super excited for this video. Let me try to juggle these, alright? Alright, now this package is from Hong Kong, so wish me luck. Okay, these are pretty nice. Alright, so these are like the AirPods Pros, except they are black edition, and of course they are third party. So let's go ahead and test these out, see how they are, and I'll get you guys my
It was at this moment that he knew.
I'm never careful with knives. Alright, but anyways, back to the unboxing. I'll try not to infect it. HipTouch Pro. So these are black edition, and again, they're like the AirPod Pros. So even the manual looks very nice and well put together. I love the packaging, actually. Feels very nice. I feel some of the material of it, and it feels really nice, and I'm struggling to get this off. Whew, okay, wow, this feels so much better than the actual AirPod Pros. And look at that, they even got the LED indicator, and they're your black pods. Now in the box, you also do get various different ear tips, and what's in here? I'm pretty sure we get a cable. Yep, this is actually lightning, so just to confirm, I'm gonna plug into my iPhone, and yep, it is lightning, so that's nice too. Alright, so I'm actually really excited to test and try these out. Let's go ahead and see if it pops up on my iPhone. So, whoa! No way. They already got that in. Alright, so I'm gonna go and connect it, and I gotta hold the home button on the back, so I'm gonna hold that button, and let's see what happens. Okay, this is so cool. And connecting, we get the little animation too. It's crazy how they could actually utilize this right here and get that to work. So media controls, again, it's a pinch. Press and hold on either AirPod, switch between noise cancellation. So let's see if it actually works like the real AirPods too in terms of control. So there's control center, and again, you can choose between the different modes. All right, so gonna pop these out. First of all, just look at this device, dude. It's so cool. All right, it looks so much better in black. I don't know why Apple did not make it in black, because I think it might be for marketing. It kind of stands out more in white, and the finish is really nice too. So it's like a very matte, like soft finish. I can already tell by the feel of this product that it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna put these in. Now taking a look at the design of this device, they did a great job. So first off, we got that aluminum or whatever material. Actually, I think it's plastic, but anyways, it looks nice. So you guys can see it's a hinge just like with the AirPods Pros. You have your pairing button. You guys can see it has a very, very matte finish, which is nice. And at the bottom, you got your lightning ports. If you're gonna open this up, you actually do get a nice LED indicator, so that is awesome. So again, I like the fact that just like with regular AirPods, if you're gonna open the case, you can see the AirPods should pop up. Boom, there they are. And these ones open up the same way, so I can just pop it open and it will pop up on your device. So boom, there it is, HipTouch Pro. You can see the battery on each individual earpiece. You guys can see that on each individual one, so I don't know why one is lower than the other. I don't know, I use it weird, I guess. And you can also see the battery on the case itself as well. So that's really, really cool. I really love, and I mean love, the matte black color on these with the like little silver trim. It looks super cool. I wish the AirPod Pros came in this color, and if so, I would definitely keep the AirPod Pros because I love this color that much. And on top of that, it's like a matte finish, so it feels like super soft. I was surprised when I felt the quality of this product. It feels quality right when you pick it up out of the box. Now, of course, we gotta start this review with the click test. So let's start with the regular AirPods, and I don't have the Pros because I did return them. I don't really use them, so I have the first gen AirPods right here. So here we go. Alright, so this is the regular AirPods, and they do feel really nice, very magnety at the end when you close it. And now let's test the HipTouch pods. So here we go. What's cool about these is just like with the real AirPod Pros, I did have those for some time, but anyways, these do have a more deep click compared to the regular AirPods. So again, so So yeah, the clicking is very satisfactory. Alright, so now it's actually gonna put the HipTouch pods on. I'm gonna get used to saying that name. But anyways, first one is in, and oh, it kind of makes a sound that's like, it's kind of like the seatbelt sign on the airplane when that comes on. It kind of sounds like that when you put it in to show that it's connected. Music is playing. Music is playing. Okay, now let's go and test this out. So I wonder if I can actually take it out and it pauses. Oh, wait. Yep, it paused for a second. Nope, I activated Siri. So wait, hold on. Let me try this again. Put it back in. Okay, it's playing my music. Take it out. Okay, it's not really pausing it, so I'm not sure. Let me try with the other one. So it doesn't seem to have that functionality where you just take out your AirPods and it pauses your music. But let's go ahead and see what we could do with this. All right, so let's see what we can do. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like a tap to play or pause and stuff like that, but let's see. Double click play or pause. So I'm gonna pause my music. Nothing's happening. Let's go try that again. Okay, it's not doing anything. Maybe it's a pinch. I'm gonna try a pinch. Oh, okay, yeah, I paused it. And then it's a double pinch. That's so cool. They actually put the pinch. This is amazing. Okay, that's cool. Holy crap, I can't believe it's actually a pinch and not just a press or tap on the side. That is so cool. Okay, so watch. I'm gonna double pinch. It's playing. It's playing. It's a pinch. That's so dope. Okay, that's really cool. It's like the AirPods Pros where you pinch. Triple click on right earbud for the next track. Triple click on the right earbud previous track. Wait, what? I had a typo in this little user manual, okay? But let's go try that out. So I'm gonna have a triple 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it is. There it is. And 1, 2, 3. All right, now I'm pretty sure to go to a previous track, it's the other one. So 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3. Oh, yep, it's going back. Did it go back? Yep, it started the song again. So I have to do 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 to go back song. So I have to kind of do it twice because otherwise it just restarts the song and then I have to do it again to actually go back a song. So that's funny that no one looked over the typo in the manual. So there's also a double click to pick up an incoming call. 5.2 seconds touched. Hang up the incoming call. So again, I guess you hold it for 5.2 seconds. 6.3 seconds touch. Hi Siri. I'm not sure. Hold on, let me see what that does. Let's do a hold. Okay, nothing. Oh, there we go. Yep, it brings up Siri. So let me go and show you guys that again. So I just hold on this pinch on the side and I'm holding it. Nothing's happening. Okay, let me try again. Oh wait, no, there it is. Okay. Wait, is that? Oh, there it is. Yep, Siri. Boom, boom, boom. Right there. So there it is, guys. The pinching is kind of awkward on this, to be honest, but I'm still happy they have pinch features because it's more like the AirPod Pros. It also has wireless charging, so that is cool. All I gotta do is place on the wireless charging pad and boom. You can see the light light up to like amber. I feel like I'm yelling. Let me go and put this down for a second. All right. And of course, we got the pressure sensor control. That's what they're calling it, that little pinch instead of the tap. Wait, I skipped over number 8. Okay, what is this? Jelly chip pop-up reel. It has that, okay? It has the Jaleel chip pop-up reel. What is that? I have no idea. Okay, maybe I should Google it. Jelly. Okay, this is what it brought up. Not quite sure what that is, but oh, I think I figured it out. It's pop-up reel. That probably means when you're actually gonna open the case, it pops up on your phone. So that's probably what they were trying to say. Where did they get that translation from? I have no idea. Oh, okay, and that is it. So we just get the specifications of the product. Now again, it's really cool that you could actually pinch the side just like with the real AirPod Pros. 2 pinches results in a play or pause, and a triple pinch, depending on which earbud you do it on, results in a forward track or a previous track. And with a long press, you can also activate Siri. Alright, now they do claim that this device has noise cancellation, so I'm gonna play some music. And if I go to 3D touch right here, whoa, it actually does have the controls, so that's super cool. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Sounds the same. Still sounds the same. Nothing is changing. So the option is just there. You guys can see HipTouch Pro, but nothing really changes when you're going to press on the different controls. I mean, these headphones do by themselves block some noise. Actually, they do block quite a bit of noise, but it's not true noise cancellation like with the actual AirPods. So, alright, so now for the most important factor. If you're going to be buying these, of course, you're going to want it to have good sound quality. That's the most important thing, right? So I'm going to be testing out the sound. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys on how they sound. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and see if they're good or bad. All right. So begging alone, that is too bright. Now it is fine. Okay, so when you first go ahead and use these headphones, yes, they do sound a bit more muffled. The bass isn't quite there. I don't like that color. But after using them for a little bit more time, they do sound better and better. So I do feel like they'd have some break-in time, meaning that once you get them, you have to listen to some music to really open up the headphones and get its full potential. So I have used them for some time now, and they do sound better than when I first put them on straight out the box. Let's play something hype, some Meek Millie. Okay, so on this song, it could do with more bass and more clarity, okay? I do feel like the AirPods are better in this song, so you can see a difference. I mean, they're not too far off, don't get me wrong. These still sound good and they're not bad, but the AirPods do have more clarity, they do have more bass, and these don't have as much, but they still do sound pretty good. Like, if my AirPods died or I lost them, I would be fine with using these, okay? So yeah, they're not too far off, but they do still sound a little bit muffled compared to the AirPods, which are super clear, and it could do with more bass. So let's test one more song. Let's see what we got here. Godflower by Jazz Cartier. Okay. Okay, so with this song, I realized that especially in the higher volumes, they do lack clarity even more. So they're not as clear as AirPods, okay? They're not AirPods, but they do come at a huge fraction of the price, and they are listenable, okay? Let's go ahead and try, I don't know, some New Kid Ink. He's coming up again. All right, so again, same thing. When like the drum hits, you know, at the end where it's like, you hear it? It doesn't sound as clear as AirPods, and again, needs more bass. So clarity and bass, just one more song. I just want to see this. Inner Bloom by Rufus Du Sol. Oh, it's about to drop. Not really meant for EDM. Kind of slower songs like Dennis Lloyd songs. It does sound good on his music, but more of these like really hype musics with like all these drums and this beat like dropping real hard, right? This isn't for that, okay? I'm gonna put the AirPods back in. Let me see if I'm misjudging or not. Let's see how these sound in the same song. It's gonna drop. Okay. First off, right off the bat, it's a little bit clearer. I don't know if I'm yelling. All right, so yeah, definitely not the same tier as AirPods, but what do you expect for a fraction of the price? If you are on a budget, then yeah, go for these. And it's so cool that they also do come in this matte black color, so I would have kept my AirPod Pros just for that reason. Now on the website, they have the HipTouch Pods 2, which are basically the AirPod 2s, and they have the HipTouch Pro. So you guys can choose between either of these, and you can also choose between black and white, just like with the real AirPods. Psych, on the real AirPods, you cannot get the black color. On top of that, they do have a battery life of about 3 to 4 hours of playback time, or a 24-hour battery life with the charging case. They do have Bluetooth 5.0. They are waterproof up to IPX4, which means at the gym, under the rain, or by the pool. Of course, that smart touch technology, quick connection, and noise cancellation, which wasn't quite there, but again, they're trying to market it as the AirPod Pros. All in all, it is a good product, especially with all the features that they put in, but is it better than the regular first generation AirPods? In terms of sound quality, I would say no, and they do need more clarity, they do need more bass, but still, it's not bad sound, but it could be better compared to the AirPods. So yeah, as always, if you guys are interested, link will be down below in the description for where you can pick these up. Alright, but anyways guys, hope you enjoyed this videos of the BlackPods Pro. That's not right. The HipTouch Pods in black. These are honestly incredible. If my AirPods ever die or I misplace my AirPods, I lose them, then I will definitely be using these, okay? They're not too far off from the sound quality of the AirPods. Of course, the AirPods do have better bass and sound quality. They don't sound as muffled, but for the price, this is a great pickup. And the fact that they come in this smooth matte black color, it's insane. I love these a lot. I think it's a great product, and even got that click. What more could you want? Way too big on me. Look at this. I can fit like 2 of me in here. I got the baguette vacuum, you know, I can just, whoa, look at that. Okay. All right, guys, I'm done. You guys can tell I'm tired. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. This is a Tech Spot, and peace out.